political arena. All eyes are on the Maha oath-taking ceremony. Big confirmation just ahead of the mega event. Eknath Shinde will be taking oath as the Deputy Chief Minister. Sena leaders have submitted the letter to the Governor's office. BJP has managed to convince Eknath Shinde to be a part of the government. Shweta joins us right now, live from the Sagar Bungalow. Shweta, lots of things were being said about whether Eknath Shinde would be a part of the government or not, and if that did not happen, what it would mean for the Mahayuti 2.0. But looks like right now it's an end to all those rumors, and this mega swearing-in event is all set to get even bigger.
Well, that's right. In fact, star-studded mega event, that CM oath-taking ceremony is going to be held at Azad Maidan, which will commence at 5:30. And in presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, we are seeing Devendra Fadnavis, the new Chief Minister of Maharashtra, would be taking oath. Well, where I'm present is Sagar Bungalow. This is the residence of Devendra Fadnavis, and just a short while back, he has left from his residence. In fact, we were inside, and while Amrita ji was interacting, Amrita Fadnavis was interacting, Jackie Shroff was here. While you ask me that what is exactly happening in Mahayuti, well, all speculations have ended after we have confirmed that Devendra Fadnavis is becoming CM, and 2 Deputy CM formula would be initiated again for this tenure. One Deputy CM is, of course, Ajit Pawar, and second on whom it was, the speculations were, in fact, the speculations were carried on if Eknath Shinde would become the DCM. Yes, he is becoming the DCM, and since till the last moment, in fact, he holded this particular news, and it has been confirmed that he would be taking oath along with Ajit Pawar as 2 deputies for Maharashtra. Apart from this, we also understand that a lot of preparations, in fact, that were going on, massive celebration time, and from Sagar, we have been reporting from morning hectic parleys in Sagar, where we have been seeing several people coming to greet him, congratulate Mr. Fadnavis, and just a short while back, in fact, we also heard from Jackie Shroff while talking exclusively to Mirror Now. Jackie Shroff stated that he is wishing all the best to everybody who is taking oath. Alongside, he also gave a message in his particular style, stating that everyone should stay together and they should not fight. This is prima facie looks to be very cryptic, but he was in a very light-hearted mood as he met Devendra ji as well as Amrita ji. They have left from here, and all the drama, all the action is going to take place at Azad Maidan. But between that, we have seen since morning, Mr. Fadnavis was in a very hectic schedule. He visited Siddhivinayak Temple, later on Mumba Devi Temple, and then there were several meetings which were going on. There was also a meeting at Sayadri. And here, I mean, if I can just show you how we report from this particular patch. In this particular patch in Malabar Hill, basically, there are too many bungalows, which includes all leaders, ministers' bungalow. And from here, I believe that's only around 300 meters away, there is Devgiri Bungalow. That is the official residence of Ajit Pawar. Even he has left. So basically, all the drama. In fact, the day has arrived where we are seeing finally the Janta of Maharashtra is going to get their new CM.
Right, Shweta, like you rightly pointed out, all the action and the drama now shifts to the Azad Maidan. We'll be getting our viewers all the latest from there as well, as the oath-taking ceremony starts in just a few minutes from now. Appreciate you joining us on the broadcast, getting us all those details right outside Devendra Fadnavis' bungalow, and also the drama that's taking place as far as Maharashtra politics is concerned, and in fact will continue to take place for the next few years. Right now, viewers, on that note, it's a wrap on this edition of the Bulletin. Lots more lined up on the other side. Stay tuned.